Today let's make pomegranate tiramisu.
Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
First, for the eggless biscuit, Savoiardi, in a bowl add 55 gram all-purpose flour, 1 by 8 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, and keep aside the dry ingredients. Now in another bowl take 20 gram unsalted butter, add 32 gram castor sugar. Using a hand whisk, mix them till the sugar gets dissolved and the mixture is light. Then add 15 ml milk, 30 ml heavy cream, 1 by 4 teaspoon vanilla extract and mix everything again. The mixture may curdle, but that's okay. Add dry ingredients and fold it till no flour is visible. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Now I will pipe them on a baking tray. Here I am using a 4-inch ring as a guide to help me pipe the batter, and I'll pipe my Savoiardi in round shape like a cake sponge. With this batter I am able to make 2 4-inch biscuit and a smaller one. Now dust them with icing or powdered sugar properly. To reshape in, use water, dip your fingers in it and gently reshape an eggless LadyFinger biscuit. Do this before dusting with sugar. Bake these in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Once out of the oven, let them cool down before transferring on a wire rack to cool completely. In the meanwhile, let's make pomegranate coulis. For that, in a pan take 250 ml pomegranate juice. I am using fresh. Then add 20 gram sugar or according to the sweetness of juice. Add 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice. Then cook it on a medium heat to dissolve sugar. Once it simmers, then cook it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes till it reduced in half in quantity and is slightly thickened. Remove the white froth on top using a spoon and let it cook. Once you achieve the desired consistency, pour it in a bowl or jar and let it cool down completely. Keep in refrigerator till use. I'll also make a soaking syrup. For that, add 20 gram powdered sugar in 150 ml of pomegranate juice. Mix and keep aside. Finally, let us make frosting for a tiramisu cake. In a bowl, add 125 gram mascarpone cheese. Add 82 gram powdered sugar and mix using a hand whisk till the sugar gets dissolved. Then fold in 65 gram of whipped cream. Add it in 3 to 4 parts. Add half teaspoon vanilla and mix it in. Now I'll divide the frosting in 2 parts to create a beautiful contrast pattern. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of prepared pomegranate coulis in one bowl and mix. If you want bright red color, add food color. Do not add more coulis as the frosting will lose its piping consistency.
Please like the video, also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe.
For assembling, soak the eggless Savoiardi properly in soaking syrup and place on cake board. You can also drizzle more syrup on top. Now pipe the tiramisu frosting, alternating both the color, thus creating a eye-catching white and red check pattern. Now stack another biscuit sponge layer on top and frost it the same way, alternating both the frosting with and without coulis. Finally, place the smallest LadyFinger biscuit sponge on top and frost it. Garnish with pomegranate seed. Our pomegranate tiramisu with homemade baked eggless Savoiardi is done. Refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours before serving. Serve chilled. Let us cut a slice. Enjoy the different version of tiramisu with this pomegranate tiramisu. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.